And as always, high five. We're gonna do an after the 5 for this. It's gonna be wonderful. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday. Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday morning about 10:15. Oh look, I got notifications. Cool. I had this all ready to go. We filmed it this weekend with Alex and Keith from Protopasta, and that video at 19 minutes long, Sean edited it up, and Tuesday night I rendered it, I was getting ready, and I wasn't feeling it. It just wasn't there. Well, it felt too forced. It felt too filler. It felt too, I don't know. I just didn't think the quality was there. So I opted to can it and reshoot. And that's why there's no video this Wednesday morning. This was a fun project. And I know that not everybody needs $1,200 tripod legs, but Manfrotto makes really good legs for tripods. And it seemed like, no, I shouldn't have to spend that much money. I'm a maker. I'm a doer, right? I can fabricate things digitally. Why not put some skills to use? Why not learn a couple things? And why not fix this problem effectively, easy, cheaper, right? That's what we need to do. That's the whole point of 3D printing, and practical 3D printing is to solve problems. And that's why 3D printing is so good. I mean, I could have machined this, right? I could have made it out of wood or used my laser cutter to create some sort of temporary holder thing or whatever, but that high five blue is gonna hold it, and the PVC tube. I know I can't go like super tall, but that wasn't the point. I just needed to raise it up 6-7 inches. And being able to do that while at the same time not increasing the footprint of the legs, yes, that's brilliant. I'm not working with the most amount of space up here. And to be able to do that, it just feels so good. So good. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. It's funny, Angus tweeted about this the other day, and I had the same thing. A patron by the name of Andy C had pledged $99 to each of us. Woo, 99, right? No, Andy C used fraudulent credit card details and always took away his pledge before the charge and then repledged after the monthly charge. So just trying to get free content. But I produce, I just stay here talking to the camera. It's extra, it's behind the scenes. And I mean, at $5 a month, like this coffee right here after the tip cost $5.14 because I've had a bunch of extra shots in it, and I had some caramel because that's what I like. And for the cost of one coffee, I am attempting to give multiple videos. I'm trying to give more content, and everybody watching this, you're wonderful for putting that puzzle piece together, for saying, you know what, Joel's trying to do extra work, Joel's trying to do extra stuff, Joel's trying to give us a behind the scenes peek that is worth $5 to me. And that's fantastic that you think that. And for those that think it's not worth it to them, that's fantastic too. I'm just trying to offer something more to the people who want more. And for someone to come along and just try to game the system just to get more free content, right? I mean, I already put out, I try to do 2, if not, my schedule's 2 videos a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, because I've hired Sean for that much editing, and it gives me a chance to really do some stuff around the house. It gives me a chance to be me, you know, not just producing 24/7. Sometimes 3 videos if I put a Fan Mail Friday in there. It's just, it hurts. Like it hurts my soul that someone is doing that. I don't understand it. I'm even having a hard time putting my frustration into words. And I know this isn't what you want to see, but this is behind the scenes, and so you get it. It's warm in here. Got my little infrared temperature thingy. My forehead is 91 degrees, 33C. How hot's my hand? 35. How hot's my coffee? 28C. Guess my coffee's cooled down a little bit. I should go microwave it. Oh, I hate complaining. I'm so sorry. Oh, let me show you something really cool. Let me go grab it. I've been monkeying around with the See Me CNC Artemis. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it in my stories. But in the stories, I essentially said the Artemis is next level. It's a wonderful machine. It's quiet. I can run it while I'm filming. And look what I just printed on it. I love these things. It's print in place. I did have to free up this side just a little bit. And it is a little bit hairy, but I mean, that's filament, that's settings. That's not something that I'm too worried about, but I wonder if I can do this. I need a bigger one. I should G-Max size that. Well, I want to thank you for your support, and I want to make sure you know that that thanks is incredibly sincere and from the heart. Life costs money. It's just a fact of life. And to be able to do what I love, which is create content that people enjoy, and to be able to support my family with that, there's no greater feeling in the world. None. And so a large part of that is thanks to you. And I'm very thankful for that. So thank you very much. This is on Thingiverse. If you want to go print it, go print it. This is at my coffee stand. If you want your own coffee, you can go get it. We'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And I'll see you in the next one.